All right, here we are in video number 2, the reasons why we want to do affiliate marketing, okay? In this video, we're going to talk about no guessing. What I mean by no guessing is you're going to find a product that is already selling good, okay? And you're going to check and make sure it has, people who have already purchased it, who are happy with it. We're going to find testimonials from people. We're going to make sure it's a good product because you don't want to sell crap to people because then you're not going to get any sales. The word is going to get out. You want to use something that's proven, okay? So you're going to partner with an offer that is selling, and you're going to be able to model other successful affiliates. So what we're going to do is we will, take a look maybe on YouTube or whatever and see who else is promoting the offer, find the successful people, and then we're going to just model whatever they're doing. So we don't even have to create new ways to do stuff, right? We're going to find out who's already making money, who's successful, and we're just going to model what they're doing, and we're just going to say it in our own words, and then we're going to be successful because they're successful. Now, don't think this is like a bad thing to do or something. This is what everybody does. Every successful affiliate marketer out there is modeling the guys who are successful. Don't worry about doing that. And the other totally awesome thing about doing that is it's going to totally cut down our chances of failing. Because if other people are doing a certain thing and it's making them money, and we do that same certain thing, then we should be able to make money too, right? Okay. So that's it for video number 2. Now the next one I'm going to talk to you about risk and how this model reduces your risk, all right? So I'll see you in the next video.